Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to everyone. Today, we are from group 4, we present about meiosis. So without further ado, let's get started.
In sexually reproducing organisms, some cells are able to divide by another method called meiosis. This type of cell division results in the production of gametes, which is known as eggs or sperm. Meiosis is more complex than mitosis, involving two divisions of the genetic material. So sperm and eggs end up with half the number of chromosomes as the progenitor cell that they arose from. Meiosis takes place in specialized reproductive tissue called the gonads. Ovaries are the female gonads and the testes are the male gonads. In meiosis, there are two divisions of the nucleus, namely meiosis 1 and meiosis 2.
Diploid cell and haploid cell. Haploid cell have one set of chromosome, which is N. Diploid cell have two sets of chromosome, which is 2N. What is set of chromosome? Humans have 46 chromosome, more commonly referred to as 23 pairs of chromosome. Difference between diploid cell and haploid cell. Two sets of chromosome, one set from each parent, contains pairs of homologous chromosome, stated as 2N. All somatic cells such as body cell, skin cell, and also reproduce only by mitosis. Haploid cell. One set of chromosome, half diploid number, no homologous chromosome, N, stated by N, gametes only, and also formed by meiosis.
Stages of meiosis. Meiosis involves two cycles of cell division called meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Each cycle involves the same four stages as mitosis. Now let's look at meiosis 1. In process 1, the chromosomes condense and join together in homologous pairs in the process called synapsis. Process of crossing over occurs where genes are swapped within each pair. The nucleus begins to break down. In metaphase 1, the pairs of chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. Spindle fibers attach the chromosomes to two bodies on opposite sides of the cell. During anaphase 1, the pair homologous chromosomes separate from one another and move to opposite poles of the cell. Then, in telophase 1, the spindle fibers disappear and nuclear membranes reform. Cytokinesis occurs, the cell splits into two haploid daughter cells, each with 23 double-stranded chromosomes.
Meiosis 2. So in meiosis 2, the stages are same just like in meiosis 1, which is include PMET or P for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, and T for telophase. So in meiosis 2, we'll start with prophase 2, which chromosomes and the spindles starting to form like in prophase 1. But unlike prophase 1, there's no process of crossing over. Next, the second stage will include the metaphase 2, which the chromosomes are going to line up in the middle in a single fine line. They are not in pairs like when they were in metaphase 1. Third, anaphase 2 will include the chromatids are going to pull away by the spindle fibers, and the last stage is telophase 2, which nuclei will form and the two cells are going to divide so that four cells are going to form, and this will be followed by the cytokinesis, which will completely split the cytoplasm. And as you all can see, as the picture provided, that picture shows how the meiosis 2 happens and what stages are included in this process.
I will continue for the next topic, that is meiosis in plant and animal. Meiosis in plant and animal. Meiosis is a type of cell division which reduces the chromosome number. The process are quite same in plant and animal. In plant, this process is observed just after the sperm production that occurs in anther of man and in ovary of female. Meanwhile, in animal, it takes place during gamete, sperm and egg formation. That meiosis takes place in the testes of man and ovaries of female in animal. Plants produce sperm. Meanwhile, animal produce gamete, sperm and egg. And this two picture is about the cycle of the animal and plant. Next, comparison between meiosis in plant and animal. This table is about the occurrence at sexual reproduction, gamete cell, and second, production of haploid gamete cell, and third, occurrence. And these two picture is about the animal cell of cat and plants. I think that's all from me. Thank you.